everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a new tutorial for you. So I am going to be participating in another Instagram challenge. This is kind of the way I've been going about things lately just because I'm kind of feeling a little bit not inspired and can't really think of what I want to be doing with my nails. So I've been doing challenges, which has actually been really fun, and it's been kind of getting me to use different products that I haven't used in a while or I haven't even tried yet. So this one is from Instagram, like I said, and the hashtag for this one is from Nails with IG Friends. So if you're following me on Instagram, you'll see the post come up. So definitely check that out and follow me if you aren't already, and check out all the other ladies' designs as well. It's a pretty nice group, pretty great group of ladies on there, so I'm really glad that I found this challenge because I think they do challenges at least every month, so that should be fun. So enough rambling. So the theme for today's challenge is colorful butterflies and dragonflies. I don't have any dragonflies, so I'm just doing butterflies. So we're gonna go ahead and get into what I am using. So first off, I will be using this Polish for Days nail polish on as my base, and this one is All Is Calm, and this is from the polish pickup from last year. Gorgeous polish. So that is what it looks like on my nails. That is 2 coats right there, and it's got a lot going on, and I really like this one. Next, the stamping plate that I will be using is from the Botanical Collection 04. This is from Muyu London. I got this in my mani box. I can't remember which one, but always come from my mani box, which is also from Beautometry. Then I'm going to use a couple of nail polishes to stamp with, so I'm using this Born Pretty Store, and this one is in Fire, the White Knight series. Then I'm going to be using this Moira stamping polish, and this one is silver, and it is FP03. And I've been using this polish lately from Painted Polish as my black stamping polish, and it's actually working pretty well. This one is called Midnight Mischief. Then the polishes that I'm using for my base and top coat, this is Glisten and Glow, and this one is just called Base Coat. This is a sticky, long-lasting, and stain preventing, and I got this from the polish pickup. And I'll also be using Glisten Glow's top coat. This one is the clear, shiny, and fast-drying top coat. I also decided to throw in this Lena Four Seasons nail stamping plate as well because it's got a few butterflies designs on there too, so last minute add. So first off, we're going to just do it in black first, and then I will use the metallic colors next. I just did a mix of the silver and gold for this one here. I just stamped it off camera because I always have a hard time at doing my thumb. So that is what that looks like. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean up all of the excess stamping around there, and I will be back. Alright, so now we're just going to top coat with that glisten and glow. So I'm just going to do our pinky here. Oops, drop that there. I always love how when you first stamp, it kind of looks a little bit more matte, but then when you add that top coat, it just brings it out so much more. I love the look of the final look with that glossy top coat, because you can see it just, I don't know, it appears more to me anyways. Maybe that's just me, but I love adding a top coat at the end. Sorry. And that is the finished nail design. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to check out my Instagram at Allie's Vlog, and also subscribe on here to see more nail art. So I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.